Simon. Looking for those claws, eh?
Yeah.
Snowshoes have big teeth.
Yeah.
You know what I'm looking forward to?
What?
Soup.
Me too.
Okay, so daughter and I are just doing some snowshoeing. We're gonna rehydrate a minestrone soup that we made on some videos that you've seen. So we will, got my little pocket rocket. This is typical of my hiking ones, so just so that I'm more accurate to what we're doing. Not that this giant canister would be going with me, but it'll be the same gas. So I'm gonna do a real world test. It's not super cold out, it is below zero. We're gonna put this on, start some water to boil. Then we're gonna add in our minestrone. I guess there's a big echo. Go. Echo. Alright, we're gonna start with 500 mils because I'm almost 100% positive that's how much it's gonna take. Let's get that going.
Balancing act.
Yeah, it's a balancing act, but so is just all of backpacking.
True that.
Better than bringing it. Chewing down on my teeth. I didn't bring any oil either, so. Well, typically, when you rehydrate, you'll add a little olive oil to it because all the oils and stuff are gone out of this, something that you need in your diet, but we're not really in a need for it in our diet, so I'm not too worried about it right now. As soon as that's going to get warm, I'm going to add that in there. And the minestrone soup isn't going to be like the other backpacks where it's just a pour the hot water in, put it in your cozy and let it hydrate without flame. This one is going to be a little more of a simmer for probably 5 to 7 minutes. So you will use a little more. So it's starting to get warm. It's not hot. But I'm going to start to get the items in there now. Always bring a knife.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So we'll unwrap that.
Is there two in there?
Yeah, it's like a surprise pack.
It's like Christmas. You never know what's inside.
Put all our good spices out.
Sure.
Okay. So let's break this fully in a couple places if you can, to speed up the flavor. I will be adding a little more water to this, but the 500 mils is what I want for the hydration test. And then we'll add a little more, just so we can have enough for the soup. For both of us, get the flavors going so that the soup soaks it up.
And get it with your other stirring.
Yeah.
This is my first time actually seeing something like this.
Have you seen these rehydrated yet?
No.
No? Well, typically, I would put it in the water to soak it for a while. But you gotta remember that that's right. You gotta remember that these vegetables they're not cooked, right? They're just dehydrated, raw. And so I kinda wanna add some cook to them as well. You can turn that up a tiny bit. It's on like super low.
Super low.
Super low. And the tomatoes and stuff will take a while to come back to life. So the warmer the water, the quicker it comes back to life. And those beans will take a few minutes too, so. Oh, you smell the soup?
Oh yeah.
You've been on the trail all day? I don't care who you are. This would be amazing. Portage on So 650 milliliters.
Yep.
Two reasonably equal bowls. That was what, how many minutes?
Like 10
10 or 11 minutes.
11, yeah.
Not bad. Alright,
Yeah.
let's try her out. Bubbly. This is brought to you by Michael Bublé. Cheers. Now the Rehydrate. It's gonna be hotter than 80s, eh?
Yeah.
Worms the soul. What's that? It's the same, or the book that you started recording? Chicken soup for the soul.
Chicken soup for the soul.
This is Minestrone soup for the soul. Look at that. That's awesome. It's good.
We can pack it, but I think the best thing would be simmer that for 10-15 minutes and then put it in the cozy for 5 or 10 minutes. Just to get all that last little bit of that one bit of turkey I got right now. And some of the other meals, I rehydrate the meat separate before I add it in, but that's it. Minestrone soup, done real easy, delicious. Needed about another 5-10 minutes in a cozy, but we're in a hurry. Get out of here. How'd you like it?
Pretty good, I like it. All rehydrated really nicely.
And quickly, you know.
Yeah. For the most part, yeah.
12 minutes simmer. The turkey would have taken a little longer. That's the only hold up. So I think next time I'll just, whatever meat I put in, I'll just keep it separate so we can hydrate it afterwards. But turkey was a new addition for the minestrone for me, just to try it out, because I had lots left over from Christmas. It was a big turkey. I hate wasting turkey. Anyway, that's minestrone soup. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell.
Yes, hit that bell.
See some more videos. All right, you guys, good luck. Take care.